Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the new Heartlake City Hotel that is coming out in June. I like the look of it. It's not as big as the original, but I do like that you can change the seasons in it. It has a Disney princess feel to it because of the colour scheme. I will still purchase it because I just love Lego. Let's take a tour through my 2015 Grand Hotel custom build. I have arrived at the Grand Hotel in a taxi. I am welcomed by a big long red carpet. I'm liking this. We got some holiday music happening. We have 2 street lamps to greet us as we walk in, and this nice fence with some plants and some nice railings and a nice palm tree. Looks like we have Emma and Andrea sitting having breakfast outside. Oh, I've fallen over on the red carpet. I just can't wait to show you the hotel. Here we have a beautiful water fountain, another table and chair set, and look at the details on the front. They have really done a great job with this original hotel. Here's Aunt Susan greeting us at the swivel doors. Look at them rotating around. They get a bit stuck, but they work okay. There's 4 nice plants here at the front. And I love the gold detailed pillars. And yes, Grand Hotel. And why is my cat up there? Let's take a look on this side. Oh, the swimming pool. We have some mini dolls sitting here on some sun lounges. And look at this pool. It's pretty fancy. Water fountain and dolphin tiles. I can't wait to take a dip. Zoom out here now so you can take a bit of a look. Oh, Bachelor Batman on the balcony. Up we go. This is quite a big build. This is my biggest build, or tallest build I should say, in my city. It's 5 levels high. And up we go. I love the colours in this build. It could go in anyone's city. They're neutral, but with the gold accents it stands out beautifully. We'll take a closer look here of this level. These beautiful gold pillars, gold frogs. The stickers that they provided in this set are really good quality. Lots of gold railings, more gold stickers, purple arches. This is really fancy hotel. This is the Grand Master Suite up on this level. I've continued all the same detailing. Oh, looks like we have the disco level. I'm in the foyer now and look at this chandelier and the fancy gold and red tiling to welcome you in. We have a father and daughter checking in. And one of the staff, this is Sandra, she's going to get a key to give to the father and daughter. They're staying here for the weekend. Have a world clock here so you know the time everywhere. Lots of pamphlets and newspapers. Oh, the grand elevator. And who's this? Oh, it's the bellboy. He has all the luggage here in the trolley. I love all the glass bricks that are in the elevator. Provides lots of light and it looks fancy. We have a grand piano here in the jazz bar. And oh, I think Eugene's had too much lemonade. He's had too much sugar. He's fallen off his stool. Come on, Eugene. Oh look, guest starring the real Livy pop star. Gotta take a look, gotta take a look. Livy, yay! We have some nice black long tables here with a beautiful lamp and drinks on here. And look, Marge and Homer are on a double date. They've left Bart, Lisa and Maggie at home. Well deserved. Oh look, Rapunzel's come in and she is so excited to leave her tower. She cannot sit on her stool. Let's take a look now at the beautiful buffet area, my favourite part of holidays. Oh yummy, what have we got here? We have some pie slices. Oh look, a trolley with croissants on there, yummo. Brown croissant and this white one. I'm not sure if it's undercooked or it's been there for a while. Yum, I'm eyeing off this table a sandwich, pies, jam, fruit. Oh, we got some cheese there. Another grand chandelier, and look, the drink station. It's got a coffee machine there. Oh, I can't wait for a nice latte. More jams and biscuits and stinky cheese. Susan's so excited about her hotel, and look, we have a nice fish tank here. Very fancy. Let's take a zoom out just to get an overview of how big this floor level is. I'm going to take a ride now in this elevator. So we need to wait for it to come down. Oh, I can't wait. Wow, it's even got elevator music. Oh, it's getting a bit stuck. It's a bit rough. Oh, here we go. We've made it. Here we are on level 2. And we're in this bedroom. Oh, the sheets feel so good. Oh, I just need to lay down. We have a little side table here with lots of lotions and potions. After all, it's a fancy hotel. Oh, another room here. We have a hotel guest and she is checking out her bed also. Sheets must feel really good. Love the sticker of this bathrobe, and we have a shower and toilet here with some shampoos and a picture of someone that I have no idea who it is. And here we have a little room, so it's affordable for everyone to stay at this hotel. Now we'll be going back in the elevator and checking out level 3. Level 3. Yes, another room to look at. Same bed, and oh, I've face planted. I think I need to take another lay down. I need some time out. I'm too excited. Same setup, perfumes, lipsticks, hairbrushes, and we have a door out to the balcony. Oh, I think I've relaxed a little bit. Let's go to the next bathroom. Same as before, very luxurious. I would have loved to have more of these stickers. And then that's the same lady as before. I don't know who that is. And here, father and son, they're in the affordable room, and the son's jumping on the bed and the dad's not happy. Oh, he's still jumping. He's got a big smile on his face. Dad, come on son, stop jumping. We'll zoom back across and take another trip on the elevator. This is such a fun day on the elevator. Level 4, and this is the fancy penthouse suite. Look at this. Oh, these feel even better. I'm liking this. We have a nice bathtub here with very luxurious shampoos and conditioners, a toilet, and I've put a toilet roll on there, and we have some nice towels. And yes, I need to check out this bath. Oh wow, look at this private balcony that you have with your own private pool. And the temperature of this water's fantastic. This holiday is the best. I just need a ice cream. Okay, last level, level 5. Wow, this place looks like fun. And Bachelor Batman is breakdancing. Go, Batman, go. Oh, I like it up here. There's party lights and speakers, and look, a DJ. Hey everyone, enjoy the music. Oh wow, look at the bar. It's selling freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm gonna go behind there. Check this out. Oh, and we've got soft serve ice creams. This place is a lot of fun. And Batman is wanting to go to the bar, and he's doing the backwards worm. Hey, could I have one of those freshly squeezed orange juices? Sure thing. Oh, someone else has pulled up. Who have we got here? Oh my goodness, it's Elsa and Anna. Yay, I can't wait for the holiday. And Nate, the bellboy, he will be unloading and getting whacked with bags. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Geez, how long are you staying for? Oh, just the weekend. Right, have a good holiday. See you later. Oh wow, Anna, who's going to help us with our bags? I will. Whoa, how long are you staying for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is going to be heavy to push. Oh. Elsa, I can't wait. Hello, welcome to Heartlake Grand Hotel. Oh, I can't wait to try everything. Oh, Elsa, I just want to go round this spinny door. Look at me. Oh, wow, this is better than my ice palace. Yeah, it's so warm and colourful. I love it. Look at the piano. Oh my goodness, how many bags do these girls have? Oh, they just keep flying out everywhere. This is hard work. Oh, Anna, I can't wait to see our room. Elsa, check this out. Oh, look. I'm loving it. I need to try out the bath. Oh, look at me jumping on the bed, and the ceiling's a bit low. Oh. Wow, look at this balcony. This beats the ice palace for sure. Wow, there's a spa and a cat. Can I take him home? Elsa, can I take him home? We go downstairs now? Okay, let's get ready. I want some of these spinning doors back at home. Oh, look. Oh, wow, the pool. How is the pool? Yes, the pool is lovely. Are you going to come in? Oh, I don't know what I want. Do I want ice cream or the pool? Elsa, looking good. Yes, I just want to lay down and relax. Oh, but I want to swim. I don't know. Do I want an ice cream or do I want to swim? Oh, here comes Susan with an ice cream. Oh, pick me, pick me. Can I have that ice cream? Wow, ice cream. Pull, ice cream, pull, ice cream, pull. What do I do? Oh, can I do both? Yay! Oh dear, I'm enjoying this. If you need anything else, just call. Oh, Elsa, I'm having the best time. Level 5. Oh wow, a dance party. Oh, Elsa, Elsa, this is great. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Whoa, Anna, just let it go. Enjoying your holiday, ladies? Oh, we sure are. I've used over 2 sets to make this big build, so over 3,300 pieces. The original came with 1,552. I love the colour scheme. I think it goes in every city. I love the open back because it's easy to play with and easy to see all the details. I feel this is the best Lego Friends set they brought out as it has so much detail in it. I hope I have given you some ideas how to change your own sets and recreate your builds. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See you for the next video.